Hi everybody, my name is Bar, and today I'm going to show you how you can have complete control on who can access the OT environment. I'll also demonstrate how an admin can be notified about access requests and authorize them manually, as well as have complete visibility into who is currently logged in, who logged in the past, and what they were doing. So the way that I have the system set up is that I have that external vendor policy right here. And that policy allows all the users who belong to the external vendors group, including Bob Marley, to access the engineering workstation and the ROC 800 device. Furthermore, I have the require manual authorization attribute set. When this attribute is set, when B. Marley logs in, he can see the devices that the policy authorizes him to access, but he can't really access them without requesting authorization from the Sage admin. You can select the devices, select the time period for which the access is needed, and even add a note. Once submitted, the Sage admin will receive an email notification, and you can see all of the active device access requests in the device access request view on the Sage manager. You can then go ahead, select the request, and modify it if needed. Remove devices, add devices, change the time period for when the access is needed for, and even write a note. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and approve that, but of course, the admin can also reject that. Once the request is approved, the policy is going to get all the way to the Fabric node on the other hand, and an email notification is going to be sent to the end user, letting him know that he can now access the devices. If there was any changes to the request by the admin, those changes will be in that email as well. As you can see, now these two devices are fully accessible and the user can go ahead and access them as he would normally go and do. So now the user can interact with the engineering workstation and interact with the ROC device. On the other hand, from the admin perspective, we can have full visibility into which users are logged in right now, which is Bob Marley, who's using the engineering workstation. You can see exactly when he logged in, when the session started, and how long the session has been going on for. And you can also see the previous recordings of all of the other accesses that have been happening in the past. And you can see exactly what each of the users were doing. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful.